Hi, and welcome to another one about the safest place on earth. It's so safe you don't even need to look while driving. Yes, you heard me well. And here we have one glance at the bromance Stefan is having. Very nice, Stefan, you have friends everywhere. But don't let it fool you, Stefan, and don't be naive, because this bro is not having a mance with you. He wants to take your lane without even looking. Good thing you have a horn. And here you're thinking, what could possibly go wrong? It's almost an empty roundabout. Yeah, only if you hit the brakes, which you did, Stefan, you will exit safely. But don't let that stop you from being very careful, because what is even a blinker in the safest town on earth? Wait, what? You didn't remember that? Well, good thing you have another chance, so here we go. Now you hit the brakes, and then you horn a bit. And then you go, you show them the mirrors because they exist. Well, Stefan, here you're just a villain because, you took the main road. I mean, come on. Another roundabout and another round of fun. Oh yes, because we have another primary user of this road. Good thinking, Stefan. Horn along because you have many candidates that need to hear it. And dear viewer, that brings us to another quiz time on our channel. This time the question is, do we consider bus drivers professional drivers? And do we consider this behavior professional or amateur? Because after all, we are on the streets of Niche. Rules do apply a little bit different here. Answer with a simple yes or no comment, or feel free to elaborate your thoughts. The comment section is open. And in this one you may see Stefan being a little bit extra. Give that extra spice, hon. All fours on, just to let the vehicles behind know what you're thinking. Better safe than sorry. And no, dear viewer, we are not in the upside down. We are just in the right side up. And that means expect the unexpected. And how can we forget one of our beloved advices? Stay flashy in the curves. Because we do know there are some drivers that like to cut them short. And just when you thought that there is one risky driver, the second one is right next to you. So this proves my point, and also reminds you to stay alerted. And dear viewer, I thought we were watching just another one bites the bus here, but boy was I wrong. And also we have an element of a surprise here called police officer. So good thing, Stefan, you stayed on the right in case somebody misses lanes and goes straight, or just in case so everybody could see you. And just to stay on topic with this one, dear viewer, when you come across a side road, then double check it, have ready to brake attitude, and keep in mind that some vehicles might have their lights off. And that brings us to the end of this video, dear viewer. But that reminds us, you can never be extra flashy, so bring that bonus signalization with you and let the vehicle behind you know what you're thinking.